The purpose of this brief tutorial is to explain how to download files if you're using a Mac product, such as a MacBook or an iMac. Regardless of the product you use, the concept should be the same. Here I have a typical page from GuitarCollege.com. The specifics about how you download may vary depending on what browser you're using, but the concepts are basically the same. Here I'm viewing a GuitarCollege.com page in Safari, which is the browser that comes with Mac. Normally, if you click on a file, it'll open up in the browser. For example, here's a video tutorial that's opening up right inside the browser. Or if I choose a PDF file, that also opens up in the browser. If you want to save this file locally, what you need to do is right-click on the link. So here I'm right-clicking where it says click here to download, and I get a context menu. My options are to download the linked file, which saves to the default download directory. Often it's just the downloads folder. Or I can choose to download linked file as. This will open up a window that allows me to save the file to a specific location. If you haven't done it already, we recommend you create a new folder called Guitar College Lessons, and then save your downloads there. So I've created that folder on my desktop, and now I'm going to choose Save. The same method applies if you're downloading a PDF file. I can right-click on this link and choose Saved Linked File As, and I'll save it to the same location. If your mouse doesn't support right-click, or if you're using a trackpad on a device like a MacBook or a MacBook Pro, you can hold down the Control key and then just click on the link as normal. And this will bring up the same menu. If you're using a browser like Firefox, the steps are similar. Right-click on the link, choose Save Link As, and then you can save it to whatever location you want to save it to. If you find your mouse does not support a right-click operation, that's usually due to a setting in System Preferences. If you choose System Preferences and go to Mouse. If you're using a Mighty Mouse, this is what you'll see. And what you'll notice is that both left and right are set to primary button. You can change this to secondary button, and then that will allow a right-click operation with a Mighty Mouse. If you're using the newer Magic Mouse from Apple, go to the same location in System Preferences, choose Mouse, and verify that secondary click is set to right. This will guarantee that your right-click operation can be done with the mouse. Once I've downloaded my files to a local folder, I should be able to open that folder and access any of the files that I've downloaded from GuitarCollege.com. At this point, I can double-click on the video and it'll open up in the QuickTime Player, or I can double-click on the PDF file and it will open up in Preview. I hope this has helped answer any questions you have about downloading files on a Mac. If you have any other problems, please send us an email at GuitarCollege.com.